In the latest versions of Windows, Microsoft encourages users to manage all network settings through the modern Settings app, specifically under Network and Internet. This same interface appears when you open network connections from the Win plus X menu or when you access network settings from the taskbar. However, many users still prefer the classic network connections interface for its simplicity and familiar layout. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. In this video, I will show you how to open the old network connections window in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To open network connections in Windows 11 and 10, press Windows key plus R. To open Run dialog box, in the blank field, type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Job done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Take care.